Hey guys, so I was out the other day with my friend for dinner and I noticed that he had a different style of wedding ring on his hand. And I asked him, I'm like, where'd you get that wedding ring? It's a nice, it was like a matte finish. It looked like something I've never seen before. And he said it's actually a silicone band that he got on Amazon. And it came in a pack of 3 for around $13. And I thought it was really cool. And I actually don't have a wedding band right now. I am engaged, but I would like to have to wear a band in the meantime before we actually get married. So I got really excited to see it, and I wanted to get it myself. So I actually picked one up on Amazon as well, and I figured I'd unbox it for you guys and show you how it fits on my hand. Let's get to it. All right, so I ordered this bad boy the other day, I think on Sunday. It's now Wednesday, so it came a few days later, and I'm excited to see. Oh, okay, yeah. So the colors I order, I guess they're not really colors, they're more shades. So you can see it is, as soon as this gets into focus, wedding band. Nice and simple. So I got a black, a gray, and a light gray and a dark gray. All right, so I'll try on the black one first. The size I got for my fingers is a size 9, and these particular ones I got are the size 9 was the smallest, and I think it went up to 10, 11, 12. So 9 fits me pretty snug. I don't think it'll come off. It's a nice fit. You can see the material. It's kind of stretchy and bendy. It's perfect for blue collar workers or people who work on construction where they don't want to damage their actual metal wedding band. So they get something like this that they can wear all the time. I think it actually looks pretty good. I like, this is probably my favorite color. It's the dark gray. Just like that matte finish, it looks really nice. So there you guys have it. I'll put a link in the description for these particular rings to purchase. And there you guys go. Thank you very much for watching. Leave a comment down below which color you like best and if you'll be purchasing it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.